Oh, hello there. Are you also tired of sweaty nights, sweltering hot days, until you become a raisin? Well, I've got the solution for you. And it won't cost you a penny. Well, as long as you have a fan. All you're going to need for this is a home, a fan, and a towel. So first what we're going to do is we're going to put the towel at the bottom of the door to stop the airflow from coming in from outside. This will cause all the air in the room to be sucked out instead of circulating the hot air from the rest of the house and circulating the hot air in the room. The next thing you're going to have to do, you'll have to place your fan at least 30 centimeters away from the window. Not out the window, don't be a buffoon. Just place it at least 30 centimeters away from your open window. Open it as wide as you can. If you have two windows, open both of them. If you have a window on the opposite side of the room and it's night time, then I would recommend to open that window too. But this works during the day, all day long and all night long. If you keep the airflow moving, the room stays at a good temperature that isn't sweaty just to sit down or lay down in your bed. There are a few things to note about this method. One thing is that the reason why this works is because your fan is pushing the hot air out from the room. Fans don't actually cool you down, they just move air around. So pointing the fan out the window is effectively drawing all the hot air from your room and blowing it out the window. Putting the towel at the bottom of the door is cutting off the airflow from the rest of the house, which allows all of the air in your bedroom to effectively become like a vacuum and be sucked to the fan and pushed out the window. For best results, it's usually better to begin this whole practice, or whatever you want to call it, in the evening time, once the sun has gone down. Although, I live on the loft of the house, so I know how hot it can really get, especially when it's 37 degrees outside and I'm turning into a raisin. If you can get your room to a decent temperature, it's much easier to maintain than it is if you're trying to do this with a room that is already boiling hot. So it will take a little bit of prepping for this to work, but once you've done it, you can say goodbye to all of your sweaty nights. Once the room is at a decent temperature and you're blowing the air out the window, even when the sun starts shining, you don't have to close your curtains. The room will stay at a relatively decent temperature. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and don't be a raisin.